What's up guys, it's Clouder from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to accept pre-orders into your WooCommerce WordPress website, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress website dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin or WP login, enter your login credentials and review the left sidebar of menus right here. Yours may look a bit different, but you always gonna have plugins on it. Hover your mouse over it and click into the sub-menu Add Plugin. Right here, review the upper right corner of your screen. Into Search Plugins, you're gonna be able to find a field, and right here we're gonna type Merchant by a Themes, okay? Just like this. Scroll down, and here is the guide that I'm looking for. Pre-orders, product labels, buy now, quick view, discount rules. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. You must have the WooCommerce plugin active to make it work, so let me activate my WooCommerce plugin. In the case that you don't know how to install WooCommerce, how to set up WooCommerce, there is a playlist full of tutorials right here on our YouTube channel, okay? So you can go there. Now, next to marketing, you're gonna be able to find merchant, okay? And right here, we have dashboard, models, campaigns, analytics, settings. Let's click on it. You can go to models, submenu, and right here on boost revenue, you're gonna be able to find pre-orders. Click on it. It's a free option, so you can enable pre-orders. Now it's enabled, so you can now allow pre-order on our store, and you can set up, you can view the pre-orders and set things up, the status, the order name, the trigger, all product or some specific product, it's up to you. Enable on products, you can search on the products. Exclude some products in the case that you want to exclude. Exclude some tags. Normally, when you accept pre-orders, you use this in specific products, okay? So, up to you. The shipping date, you can set some date on the future. The pre-order starts today, maybe. The pre-order ends in the end of the month, for example. All the users or some selected users can do this pre-order. You can apply some exclusion list. You can change the button. You can enter additional information. For example, ship zone date. Before the button, after the button. Up to you. You can change the colors, the styles, the button width, and let's add a new pre-order. You can back up and restore, and you can restore modulo settings by a backup. Simple, right? Now, this product that you have selected, or all our products, can receive pre-orders, okay? And you can start boosting your revenue by accepting pre-orders, maybe for something that you're gonna launch into next month, for example. And it is simple, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, don't forget to hit the save button into the upper right corner of your screen to save every single settings you made. And in the case that you want more tips, there is a tutorial right here that you can explore into every single part of your store, okay? And that is. See you guys tomorrow. Feel free to use the comment section below. All the best!